This is an exciting time, and I'm sure a lot of eyes are on us as we try to break this record, driving more than 2,000 kilometers from Tiruvallur to Mumbai.
Whew. So I'm behind the wheel now, and it's a very early morning start. It's almost 3:30. In my line of work, we are used to early morning start, but this is too much, and I haven't gotten any sleep due to the excitement through the night. But I'm comfortable behind the wheel. Let's see how the rest of the day goes.
So after taking the baton from Bilal, it's my turn to take this Basalt all the way to meet the Basalt in Mumbai. And on paper, it is the longest duration that of this entire trip. The third leg will be the longest duration as well as in terms of kilometers and time. However, luckily, the roads on my end of the journey are quite better, and I'll see how that is. However, I have to drive throughout the night. So that will be the challenging part.